Have you ever wondered if a machine could have an imagination? Not just to calculate or analyze, but to create something entirely new. For decades, that was science fiction, but today it's a reality. Get ready, because we are diving into the fascinating world of generative AI. So, what exactly is generative AI? To understand it, let's start with its parent, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI simply means making computers smart enough to do things that normally require human intelligence, like recognizing a face or understanding your voice. Under that AI umbrella, we have machine learning. Instead of programming every rule, we show the computer thousands of images and it learns patterns by itself. It's like showing a child hundreds of pictures of cats. Eventually, they learn to spot a cat. Machine learning is great at analyzing and identifying things. So, where does generative AI fit in? This is the key difference. While machine learning can tell you if a picture is a cat, generative AI can draw you a brand new cat that has never existed before. It doesn't just analyze, it creates. It generates new content, whether that's text, images, music, or code. It's your own personal digital artist. But how do these models get so creative, especially with language? The secret sauce is a technology called a transformer. Imagine you are reading the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat because it was tired." As a human, you know it refers to the cat, not the mat. Transformers are what allow an AI to understand this relationship between words, even if they are far apart. They pay attention to all the words in the sentence to figure out the full context. The ability to understand context is what allows a tool like ChatGPT, Gemini to write coherent paragraphs instead of just jumbling sentences. It's predicting the next most likely word, and the next, all while paying attention to the context of everything it has already written. So, there you have it. Generative AI is a type of AI that creates new content, powered by brilliant technologies like transformers that help it understand context. It's the difference between an AI that analyzes the word and an AI that adds something new to it. Now that you know what it is and how it works, in the next video on Friday we'll explore the 4 amazing types of generative AI that are changing the world. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.